Hello everyone, welcome to Unbeliever. Here I'm Barman with you, and in our today's episode we'll talk about another interesting topic. Everyone loves food, looking at it, smelling it, taking pictures of it, making it, eating it, posting it on social media, and of course like to talk about it.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
I mostly like homemade foods. They are hygienic, made from organic sources and have no chemicals or adhesive. However, my preferences in homemade foods does not discourage me to dine outside. I prefer having dinner in a Chinese or Italian restaurant as I love their menu. I'm also fond of pizza and sandwich.
What kind of new food would you like to try?
I've never tried Thai foods and I would love to taste it. One of my cousins is very fond of Thai foods and he had convinced me that I should give it a try. I think I would like it. I have a plan to take my family to a renowned restaurant in our city to taste the Thai foods together. Apart from that, I would love to try Japanese sushi. I have heard so much about it but never tasted it.
Do you like cooking?
I love cooking. This is sometimes very relaxing and gives a good feeling. I do not need to cook very often, but when I do, I feel like I kind of enjoy it. Maybe if I had to cook every day, my opinion could have been different. My mom mostly cooks in our house, and whatever I declare that I would cook either for lunch or dinner, my brother and sisters become excited and worried at the same time. They love the way I try to cook different menu each time, and they often find my cooking tasty. But they also remember some of the incidents when my food tasted horrible. But if you ask me whether I enjoy cooking, I would say yes, and I like doing experiments no matter what others think about it.
Do you prefer home-cooked food or food from restaurants?
As I said, my preferences is home-cooked foods over outside foods. My father does not like the idea of having outside meals that often. Apart from that, my mother is an excellent cook and we enjoy her menu a lot. Outside foods are quite expensive and not fully hygienic. This is why all of my family members prefer homemade foods.
What are some reasons that people eat at a restaurant?
Eating at a restaurant offers people to enjoy the foods as well as the views and surrounding. They do not need to cook and foods are usually delicious. People are treated well in a restaurant and people love that a lot. We can invite as many people as we want in a restaurant and we do not need to clean anything unlike eating at home. There are a variety of menus to choose from and people can enjoy exotic foods at a restaurant that are not usually cooked at home. We can meet friends and other relatives at a restaurant and enjoy our conversation without interruption. I think those are the main reasons we like to eat out in a restaurant even though we have to pay a large amount of money for the foods we eat. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep supporting.